Stop paying for AI. I'm about to show you how to use KREA and turn 2-second doodles into professional 2K cinematic asset. No pro plan or hidden fees, just pure workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's go to KREA.ai and create an account if you don't already have one, and if you already have one, just log in using this login button right here. I'm going to sign up for free and use the Google sign in option because that's the fastest way, and that's when you land on this dashboard right here. So first things first, we are on the free plan, so if you click on this button right here, it will show you the amount of credits you have, which is 100 credits, which is why you need to be efficient. Every time you hit generate or enhance, it chips away at those units. Now that's understood, so you can scroll down and check out all the different features like image generation, video generation, upscaling, etc. And for more features, you can check out this sidebar right here. So we are starting off strong by using the real-time editor, which is right here in the tools. So click on that and it will take you to something that looks like this. You must be thinking what this is. Basically, this is a drawing canvas where you can draw something. Like over here, a lamp has been drawn, and then you add a prompt in this prompt box right here, which will help imagine this image right here. So if you want, you can explore a few examples by clicking on this button here, and you can simply look at them, take inspiration on what to draw, what to write in the prompts, and which styles to use, etc. Once you're done with that, you can simply close the example, but check this out first. This is a 3D real-time creation, and as I move my camera and the model over here, it changes the image as well. Now let's create what we are actually going to create, which is a cinematic sci-fi portal in the middle of outgrown jungle temple. Starting off, I'm typing in the prompt, which is this right here, cinematic sci-fi portal in outgrown jungle temple. Up next, I'm going to add something into this canvas right here, which is a shape which you can choose from over here. You can choose a rectangle, triangle, or a circle. I'm going to be choosing a rectangle, and now adding that to the canvas, which is right over here. To change its color, click on this button right here and go on change the color like so. And this is what I'm looking for, the glow in the background of our temple, so that it looks more futuristic and sci-fi. Also, I want to make this surrounding a little bit darker, so I'm going to use this paintbrush right here, choose a darker green color, and just paint over here like so. So this is supposed to change things around. Now, what really is affecting this editing and image style is these settings right here. First things first, we have the model which is being used, which right now is real-time edit. So if you click on that and choose show legacy models, you can see some more models as well. So one of the other models which gives low-key cool effect is the CGI. So let's test it out, and you can see it has absolutely transformed the image. And in here you can even choose the different style of image that you'd like this one right here will change it to something like this, and you can even adjust the strength of AI from over here. If you want, you can reduce it, which will make your image look more like the drawing that you have provided instead of depending on the prompt that you've added. So if you're really good with your drawing, then you can reduce the AI strength, but as you can see, my drawing is literally a square and some paint around it. This is what it looks like in the cartoon, and even in this you can add in different styles which will change up the image. Also, you can change the aspect ratio of your image from over here, and it will change the image for you. Now, if you want a realistic looking image, I would prefer you to use the real-time edit model itself. Not only shapes and paintbrush, you can also upload assets onto the canvas, as well as use this generate image button, where you can simply add in a prompt and it will generate an image for you, which can be added to the canvas also. Other than that, you can even add a camera to your canvas so that you can recreate the things that you show on your camera, like your face or your pet or your surrounding, anything, into an image. Now, to save this image, you can simply click on this save button right here. And if you want to record the whole process of this real-time rendering, you can click on this button right here. Moving on, let's animate this image using the video creation tool, which can be found in the sidebar again. Now, in here you have all the different options to choose the models from over here, but as we are on the free plan, you only have access to limited models. So I'm going to choose WAN 2.2, and for the start frame, I'm going to select the asset that we just generated. So I've added the start frame and selected the model. All that's left to do is to describe what the video is actually doing. And it's pretty simple. I want the camera to pan in towards the gate of the temple to give off this cinematic look. So I'm going to hit send, and this would take a couple of minutes. Okay, so this is the result, and I don't know why they've added a person over here, but this is the final result actually. Regardless of adding the person, it did pan a bit towards the gate, so that counts, and it didn't change the image, and the quality is great as well. So I wouldn't complain about it. Now, you can check out all your created assets in this folder right here, which is where I saw the video as well as the saved assets from my real-time drawing. And the created images were like 1K, so they were pretty much high quality looking. But if you have images that are not up to the mark, you can use the image enhancer, which is right over here. Upload your image or select the asset, and it will upscale your image up to 22K or even videos to 8K. Other than that, you also have some different tools you are free to explore, but a few of them are limited to only paid user. Despite of that, the 3D object is free for non-paid user as well, and you can choose the trailless model for the best results because it is really good, but it's quite expensive in terms of credits. So you can try out using an image and it will generate a 3D model for you. Like, check this out. This was a CAN image that I used to create a 3D model, and this is what it looked like. And just for a reference, this was the image that I used, and this was the output that was created. So pretty much it does create 3D models for you, which you can download in different formats. So that's how you take your 2 minutes to turn it into a high quality realistic image and later animate it into a video. If this workflow helped you save money today, hit that subscribe button and comment down below what you're going to create using KREA AI. And I'll see you in the next one.